In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward your Godaddy domain. This process is surprisingly straightforward, and it can be incredibly beneficial if you want to redirect your domain to another website seamlessly. Whether you've set up a new site or you want to point your domain elsewhere temporarily, domain forwarding can simplify your digital strategy. We'll go through each step carefully, so you can confidently handle it on your own. Start by logging into your Godaddy account. Once you've gained access, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your domain. In the dashboard, locate the section labeled Domains. It's essential to ensure you're in the right place, as this is where you'll initiate the forwarding process. Within the Domains section, you should see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Identify the domain you want to forward and click on it. This action will open up the settings for that specific domain. You will then look for an option that shows Domain Settings. Click on it to expand further details about your domain's current configuration. As you scroll through the domain settings, you will find a section titled Additional Settings. Click on Manage DNS here. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a critical part of how your domain connects with the internet, directing traffic to the right places. Following that, within the DNS Management section, search for the Forwarding section. Forwarding allows you to direct your domain visitors to a different web address, which is what we want to achieve. Within the Forwarding section, select Add Next to Domain. Here, you'll have to enter the URL of the website you wish to forward your domain to. Make sure to enter the full URL, including HTTP or HTTPS, as this ensures accuracy and seamless functionality. Additionally, take note of the Forward Type option. You'll typically have choices between Permanent 301 and Temporary 302. A 301 forward is ideal for permanent changes, signaling search engines that the domain's move is permanent. On the other hand, a 302 might be more appropriate if you plan on switching back at some point. Another key decision is whether to choose Forward Only or Forward with Masking. Forward Only directs your domain without changing the destination URL in the browser. However, with Forward with Masking, visitors see your original domain in the address bar, even after they've been redirected. This is particularly useful if you want to keep your branding consistent. After you've entered all the information correctly, click Save. Godaddy will then process your forwarding settings, which might take a few minutes to take effect. Once it's saved, your domain will automatically redirect to the specified site whenever someone enters it into their browser. And just like that, you've successfully forwarded your Godaddy domain. It's as easy as following these steps and double-checking your entries to ensure everything is correct. By mastering this simple technique, you can manage your domain's direction with versatility and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.